Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some interesting thing. So before doing that once we will choose the room. So go to the story plan. Let's choose this room number 3. So let's go to the room number 3 and first rename this one. So go to the construction text. Okay, again you have to select the room number 3. Click this one. Change. Let's say Art Studio. Enter. So it's already done. So let's go for the ceiling. Before ceiling we will draw some reference line. Here draw curving reference line. So choose this one. So 1 click, 2, 3, 4, right click and you can move this one wherever you want. Okay, so draw another one. 1, 2, 3, like this. Right click and don't choose close, just end. I don't want to, actually no need to choose the end one. Okay, now let's copy this one again. Copy, paste. Let's move little in. Okay, I need more. So let's select this, edit, copy, edit, paste. So why I am drawing this reference line? Because I need some ceiling type in the curve style. So when I am trying to draw the ceiling in the curve, it will be helpful for me to go the path, to get the path. So click this one, so you will see this is very, okay, cancel, yes, it's a mistake. So you will see it's a gate going with the path very fast. So if you don't have the patience, you can forward the video in the finishing stage of the ceiling if you don't want to see full. And this one, yes, no problem. Okay, another ceiling. No problem, I can arrange that one later. Don't go very far, it will not give good looking. Okay, this one just click here, you can click and move, easy. Again draw. Maybe I am learning purpose, I am little doing, I am not doing 100% good one. So when you are working, you make 100% good one. So it will be better. Okay. Okay. I miss it here. Okay. Okay. Yes. So let's go to the 3D view. So it will be look like this. So if you are need necessary, you can click this one and then you can go for the point 1, and here also same point 1, and here also point 1. So let's go to the topper plane, go to the light, and you remember I downloaded one light, Cove light. If you don't know how to download, check my previous video, just keep one point somewhere here. So go to this here in the display, this view, click here, no need to save, click here and choose this one. So it will show you how the luminaire focusing. You see here, this is our luminaire. Let's go to the plane. Yeah, this is our view. So let's go to the plan, click this one, and in the front view you can rotate and you can make little up. Not in this view, actually in this view, because luminaire is like this. Let's rotate, focusing like this. Okay, now we will go up. So we have our light something like this. So let's keep it like that. So let's go for this one, copy and arrange. So let's select the along axis, the reference line which I made it. So let's click this one. Let's go distance. So length is 5.46. So if calculator, no need calculator, just we will make 10. So it's already measuring. Follow the curve, don't forget to select this one, and let's apply. Okay, so there's the 2 point is problem because it's taking edge, so I should make little bit inside. So no problem, we will arrange later, and select this one again, and this one again, and this one again, and this one same 10, and this time I will go 180, apply. So it will focus this way. So let's select this light arrangement, make it ungroup, so you can adjust individually. Let's move this one little bit inside. Okay, this one also inside. If this one irritating, you can just click this one, so it will go. Move. Okay, let's click this, ungroup again, click this one. Oh, move. I did it ungroup, right? Move, yeah. And here also click, move. Now your choice, either you want to keep inside or center. If you want to give, undo this one. So I want to select the light, click this one light, then select this, otherwise it will select unwanted things. So it's your choice, you want to move little bit inside this side, over here center, over here, wherever you want. So let's keep for now center. Let's see how it will be look like. Okay, okay, let's go here. Okay, it's all up. Let's go again here. Now this light we don't need, delete. So let's go to the 3D. Okay, let's render. Calculation. Okay, it will be look like this. Nice. The focus, it's not coming outside. Sometime it will be effect here also. Why it's not coming? Because I rotated to focus this way, and also I think that is the reason, but it's already good, nice. And the ceiling is little higher, so let's make little smaller. So let's go to the ceiling. Sorry, construction. So let's make ceiling void 0.1. Yes, no problem. And here also let's make this one 0.1. Let's see how it will be look like, out of curiosity. Let's calculate. It's little bit okay, but better the ceiling should go up. So let's stop the calculation. Let's go again, this ceiling, yes, 0.1. Oh, I should choose the ceiling weight 0.1. Okay, now go to the light. We will go in this view, select all the light and go up. Yes, and why this one? Now I increase the thickness. How much this one? 0.030. This one 0.30. We'll keep it same, and then the ceiling height should be 0.1. Okay, so let's go to the 3D view. Okay, let's render, calculate. Okay, it's now looking nice. So what about if I need a different color here, how can I change? Now go here, let's go for the plan, let's select light, this light, go to the lamp here, select this lamp, here you go change. So you can see some settings are here. So I will go for the red and apply. Yes, let's check this one. So this is red, but this is not red, so I have to select like this. Okay, select. No, I have to select all because already one change. I have to go here, variant to select. So you can change many colors you want. So let's go for the red. Yeah, this guy. Apply. You can change manually also. You have there's many options. You can change the pressure lamp, fluorescent lamp. These are the things you can change. This is for the LED, and you can go for the manual also here. And here you have something more details. So if you are an engineer, you will know how to do these things. If you are not an engineer, also no problem, check one by one. You can check what is filament lamp, halogen lamp, anything. If this one available, you can change. So I change this one to red. Let's go for the 3D view. Let's render. Calculation. This is how it will come. So you see it's looking nice. This kind of design you can use for the some store, office area, some interior designing, specialized interior designing, something like that. If you go to the Google, so I type ceiling design, you see here there's many type design. I believe you are getting some idea. Even like this, it's possible to do like this or like this, like this. Everything it's possible to do. Something like this also. Yeah, this one also it's possible to do, but it's all in your idea. See this one, it's can do. So if you choose the, if you choose to work in the correct way and use the tool what is available, you can make a very good designing. Let me check something. So you can play with this, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe, and if you choose different kind of light also, it will give you good effects. See here, it's very nice. And if you have any comments, put it in the comments, in the comment side, and I will reply as much as I can. And just do something different design, don't follow me same. And I am not going to tell you this is a very good ceiling design, just I want to show you how to make a different shape of ceiling. And check, practice, and take advantage maximum you can. Take care, bye.